So in just moments from now, Ayodhya will be, of course, all decked up already, waiting for the big moment, the grand flag hoisting ceremony that will be taking place. It is a historic milestone marking the completion of the Ram Temple construction 22 months after presiding over the Pran Pratishtha ceremony. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will return to Ayodhya to hoist the saffron flag atop the Ram Mandir. My colleague Swati Joshi is joining us on the broadcast. Swati, the saffron flag of Bhagwan Ram all set to flutter in Ram Mandir today.
Absolutely. Namaskar, good morning and Ram Ram to all the viewers. We're joining you live and bringing you this special broadcast from Ram Ki Nagri. We are in Ayodhya, which is all set for the ceremonial flag hoisting, which is going to mark the completion of the construction of the entire temple complex, and the entire temple complex will be open for devotees. Now, before we get into the schedule and the ceremonial flag hoisting, which is going to take place, that will be done by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, let me quickly give you a sense of what's happening here. Behind me is the main gate, which is the Mukhya Dwar of the Ram Temple, decked, adorned with flowers. The entire stretch which leads up to the Ram Temple has been sanitized, and you'll see security personnel barricading, covering and monitoring every inch of this whole stretch. And you can see some people who've gathered outside that main gate. They're all going inside. There are over 7,000 people who've been invited, most of them locals. There are workers who took part in the construction of the temple as well, who are going to witness this ceremony, which in fact is coinciding with another auspicious event, which is the Vivaha Panchami of Lord Ram and Mata Sita. Let me quickly also go across to my colleagues. We have Pragya and Adeep joining us on the broadcast. Pragya, give us a sense of what's happening here. I can hear Ram Ram chants all around us. Before the Prime Minister arrives, all preparations being done, monitored by the top security officials on ground. And amidst all this, you see a constant footfall of the invitees entering the temple.
Absolutely, Swati, and there are people who are going inside. They are the invitees from, the nearby areas. This time, the Kshetra Trust has taken into consideration the feeling and sentiment of the local people as well, and this is particularly why the focus is on Ayodhya and districts around it. All the saints and dignitaries who had participated in Kar Seva, they have been invited for this. This is hyper local, invitation that has gone out. But if you could just see, we'll speak to a few of those who have been invited. आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
सीतापुर से।
सीतापुर से। आपको ये अंदर जाने के लिए इनविटेशन है? तो आज भव्य मंदिर का ध्वजारोहण है, आज मंदिर कंप्लीट हो रहा है। आप सब लोग कितने दिन पहले आए हैं और क्या आपकी फीलिंग्स है इस टाइम?
कल शाम को आए थे हम लोग।
कल शाम को आए हैं?
6 बजे।
अच्छा।
रात भर यहीं रुके।
हाँ।
अब जा रहे हैं।
तो क्या फीलिंग्स है अंदर जाकर?
आकर काफी अच्छा लग रहा है कि हमें अपने बाबा योगी आदित्यनाथ के, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के आशीर्वाद से हमें अयोध्या टहलने का मौका मिला, रामलला के दर्शन करने का मौका मिला है। हमें काफी हर्ष और अपार हो रहा है।
आप लोग इससे पहले राम मंदिर आए हैं?
हाँ
आए हैं। आप आए हैं?
जी नहीं, मैं
पहली बार आए हैं आप राम मंदिर?
हाँ, पहली बार आए।
आप न्योते का वेट कर रहे थे, आपको न्योता मिला?
ये नहीं, मतलब जो सहयोग मिला
ये तो हमारे बाबा ये सौभाग्य है, ईश्वर के कहें या बाबा का कहें, मतलब हमें अच्छा लग रहा है। वो अलग आते हैं तो उसका थोड़ा अलग फीलिंग थी, और जब बुलाए गए हैं तो थोड़ा अलग फीलिंग है।
तो राम जी जब बुलाएंगे तभी आप आएंगे?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। ये तो अपने मतलब, ये तो हम बाबा के कहने से आए, वैसे तो आता है।
आप यहाँ के लोकल हैं?
यस मैम,
आपको ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लग रही है? कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन?
बहुत ज्यादा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है। 2017 से पहले क्या अयोध्या थी, 2017 के बाद जब से बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट आई है, इतना डेवलपमेंट है यहाँ पे। जो देखने वाला है उसको भी समझ में आ रहा है, जो नहीं देखने वाला वो भी समझ सकता है इसको।
So there you have it, Swati. These are the people who are going inside, and they are, they are full with emotions, and they would want to be part of and witness of this grand ceremony.
Absolutely. Pragya, stay on with us. Before I go across to Adeep, let's also talk about the cultural transformation, the spiritual transformation that Ayodhya is undergoing. And today's event is a milestone in that direction. Now, as far as the Prime Minister's schedule is concerned, the Prime Minister is going to arrive here at around 10 a.m. There are going to be several visits, a series of visits inside the temple precinct by Prime Minister Narendra Modi before he takes part in the ceremonial flag hoisting. Let me quickly also go across to Adeep, who's also been speaking to a lot of people since morning. And as far as sentiment here is concerned, the devotees extremely happy that the construction of the entire temple complex is done now. As far as, the tourists are concerned, because Adi, initially early before the temple was constructed, there were devotees who would come here to visit, take darshan of Ram Lala in the temporary setup, and now there are not just devotees, there are tourists as well, which of course is greatly contributing in the temple economy as well. Give us a sense of what's happening around you.
Well, definitely, Swati, see, as you mentioned, the devotees used to come to Ayodhya to visit Ram temple, but now everything has changed in Ayodhya. In fact, what we are witnessing today is a historic moment. The Ayodhya people, locals of Ayodhya, say that this is an historic moment for the entire city, and not just for Ayodhya, but for the entire Uttar Pradesh and the country. Right now, I'm reporting from the gate number 11, which is the VVIP gate, and this is from Prime Minister Modi will be entering the Ram temple, and you can see in the visuals that how beautifully this entire gate has been decked up for Prime Minister Modi, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat, CM Yogi Adityanath, and other leaders who will be entering inside the Ram temple complex from this particular gate. The security has also been beefed up. Security has been heightened over at this point. So from here, Prime Minister Modi will enter inside the Ram temple, and when Prime Minister Modi will be coming, there are people waiting for him, for his arrival. You can see on the both sides of the road, people are waiting with the Indian flags to wave at Prime Minister Modi when he will come at this particular point. So Prime Minister Modi will be coming from this point, and here we have people from both the side, on both the side of the road, with the Indian flags, waiting for Prime Minister Modi. He will be coming at around 10 a.m. at this particular point. So all these people are waiting to witness the historic moment when Prime Minister Modi, other dignitaries will take part in the flag hoisting ceremony inside the Ram temple complex, which will mark the completion of the construction of Ram temple, Swati.
Absolutely. Adib and Pragya, stay on with us. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also tweeted about the significance of today's event. He said that Lord Ram is the soul of Bharatvarsh, and that this is a matter of immense pride for him that he's going to take part in the ceremonial flag hoisting that will happen here at Ram temple, when a flag, right-angled triangular saffron flag that has very important symbols on it, it will be hoisted here on the shikhar or the spire of the Ram temple. Pragya and Adib, do stay on with us. Let me quickly go back to Pratibha, who's sharing more insights with us. Yes, Pratibha.
All right, Swati, we'll come back to you. It looks colorful and all decked up. Ayodhya, as the Prime Minister is also all set to come there. We can see a lot of devotees who have arrived there as well, all decked up for the grand flag hoisting ceremony. Historic milestone marking the completion of the Ram temple construction. 22 months after presiding over the Pran Pratishtha ceremony, Prime Minister Modi is going to be there, and ahead of the Prime Minister's visit, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also reviewed the preparations in Ayodhya and issued the necessary directions to the concerned officials. The right-angled triangular flag, that is where all eyes will be, because that's the saffron flag that will be hoisted atop the Ram Mandir, measuring 10 feet in height and 20 feet in length, bearing the image of the radiant sun, symbolizing the brilliance and valor of Bhagwan Ram. It will also have an inscription of Om on it, along with the image of the Kovidara tree. My colleagues, Adib and other colleagues, Pragya as well, have been on the spot, getting us a report, talking to the devotees, speaking about the preparations. Take a look.
Ayodhya is all set for the grand event that will take place on 25th of November, where Prime Minister Modi, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat and CM Yogi Adityanath will be present inside the Ram temple, where the flag hoisting ceremony marking the completion of the construction of Ram temple will take place. The Prime Minister Modi will be inside the Ram temple. The security protocols have been enhanced throughout the Ayodhya after the Delhi incident, and you can see multiple security personnel. They have been deployed in and around Ram temple. You will see that the security forces, along with the paramilitary forces, they all have been deployed around the Ram temple. And in fact, apart from the paramilitary forces, the NSG commandos, the ATS commandos and other CRPF units have been deployed throughout the Ayodhya. After the Delhi incident, the security has been heightened in Ayodhya. The threat level has been increased, and with the Prime Minister Modi being in the city, the security has been enhanced for the Ram Temple also. This is the gate from where Prime Minister Modi and CM Yogi Adityanath, RSS Chief Bhagwat will enter inside the Ram Temple premises. And this is the gate. They see how beautifully they are decorating this entire gate. It's written that Shikhar Dhwajarohan Mahotsav, Shri Ram Janm Bhoomi Tirth Kshetra. So this is all they are decorating with the flowers. Then we have Jai Shri Ram written with the flowers. They are decorating it beautifully. This entire gate is being decked with the flowers for the main event to take place. In fact, this is the Jagat Guru Adi Shankaracharya Dwar, from where all the VVIPs will enter inside the Ram Temple. The construction of the Ram Temple, the first stone was laid on August 5th, 2020 after the Supreme Court ruling, and in 2024 the consecration ceremony started where Prime Minister Modi and other dignitaries were present, and now in 2025 the completion of Ram Mandir is taking place. And in fact, this flag hoisting ceremony marks that the completion and the construction of the Ram Temple.
So Adeep was giving you a ground sense of what's happening in terms of preparations. I have with me the invitees, some of them who are going to go inside, and they've come from across the country. The batch which is joining me at the moment are joining us here in Ayodhya. They are coming from Lakhimpur Kheri in Uttar Pradesh. आप लोग लखीमपुर खीरी से आ रहे हैं, अंदर आप लोग जाने वाले हैं?
जी बिल्कुल।
कैसा भाव है आज के दिन?
बहुत बहुत बढ़िया अच्छा भाव है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है, बड़ा उत्साह हम लोगों के अंदर है। अपने लखीमपुर से एक बस आई है पूरी हुई, और सब लोग हम लोग जा रहे हैं। ध्वजारोहण कार्यक्रम में आमंत्रित किए गए हैं।
आपके क्या भाव है, कैसा महसूस हो रहा है? क्योंकि आज ध्वजारोहण का मतलब ये होगा कि जो कंस्ट्रक्शन पूरे टेम्पल कॉम्प्लेक्स का ये पूरा हो गया।
आज से हम लोग ये समझ रहे हैं कि हमारा जो है देश हिंदू राष्ट्र बनेगा और सनातन धर्म की रक्षा होगी। इसी के साथ मोदी योगी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, जिन्होंने इतना सब कुछ किया हम लोगों के लिए कर रहे हैं। बहुत अच्छा लगा।
एक ऐसा राष्ट्र, जब आप हिंदू राष्ट्र कहते हैं तो मुझे लगता है आप एक ऐसे राष्ट्र की बात करें जिसमें हर किसी के लिए जगह है, हर किसी का सम्मान है। जी
समाज के लिए, सभी लोगों के लिए है जो यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं भक्त, और अंदर आके अपने श्रद्धा के अनुसार यहाँ पूजा पाठ करेंगे, और अपने यहाँ अयोध्यावासी बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा उनको।
आपको लगता है कि ये एक नई शुरुआत है अयोध्या के लिए?
ये अयोध्या के लिए ही नहीं, पूरे राष्ट्र और पूरे विश्व के लिए एक नई शुरुआत है। अयोध्या जैसा भव्य और दिव्य मंदिर बनना, योगी और मोदी ये पुरुष नहीं, ये महापुरुषों में आए हुए हैं। यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानं धर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्था स्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे। सनातन धर्म को परास्त करने के लिए लोगों ने कुत्सित बहुत प्रयास किया, और विपक्षी दल अब भी लगे हुए हैं। लेकिन मैं पूर्ण आशा नहीं, विश्वास के साथ कहता हूं कि राम जी की पूर्ण कृपा है, बाल बाका नहीं होगा, और आगे भव्य और दिव्य और काम होगा।
आपके क्या विचार है?
जी, हम लोग बड़े भाग्यशाली हैं। कल आज जो कार्यक्रम अपने माननीय मोदी जी आज यहाँ जो है जो मंदिर का निर्माण हुआ है उसका ध्वजारोहण करेंगे, इसलिए हम अपने आप को बड़ा ही भाग्यशाली समझते हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग सनातन धर्म को मानने वाले। हो सकता है ऐसे चलता रहे, हमारे मोदी योगी की कृपा से हमारा देश आज जो है हिंदू राष्ट्र घोषित होने में कोई कमी नहीं रहेगी, ये हमारी उम्मीद।
आज तो केवल ध्वजारोहण है, तो ध्वजारोहण की बात करते हैं, और पूरे उत्साह के साथ एक बार जय श्री राम बोल दीजिए।
जय श्री राम, जय जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
सनातन धर्म की जय, हनुमान जी महाराज की जय।
All right, so Jai Shri Ram are the only chants that you will hear, and the devotees, of course, very excited. It's a new dawn, and there's a spiritual and cultural transformation that Ayodhya is undergoing, which you can witness. Let me go across to Pragya and Adeep. To Pragya once again. Pragya, you've been also speaking to the devotees. The excitement is high, and there is a sense of the virasat of the Hindu land, or the virasat of the Ram Janmbhoomi and Ayodhya Nagari, and people very clearly expressing their sentiments about the Ram Raj that they want to see in the entire country.
Absolutely, Swati, and I have few devotees with me, and this is, they speak about 500 years of wait. आप लोग आज यहाँ इनविटेशन पे आए हैं, ध्वजारोहण है, आपको लगता है ये विरासत जो अपनी है वो आज संरक्षित हो गई है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आज पूर्ण रूप से हमारा भव्य मंदिर बन चुका है। अब पूर्ण रूप से हम लोग बहुत आनंदित हैं। इतना आनंद है, जीवन में हमको कभी इतना आनंद नहीं मिला।
आप कहाँ से आए आप लोग?
हम लोग रुदौली से आए हैं।
पहली बार आप राम मंदिर आ रहे हैं?
नहीं, दूसरी बार है ये। जी जी।
पर आनंद तो होता होगा, एक
आनंद भरपूर आनंद है,
अपार आनंद है। और उससे भी बड़ा आनंद ये हम सबको हो रहा है कि देश के ही नहीं पूरे दुनिया के जो सर्वमान्य नेता हैं आदरणीय मोदी जी, आज उनके कर कमलों के द्वारा 191 फीट का जो ध्वजारोहण होने वाला है, ये पूरी दुनिया को ये संदेश देने वाला है कि राम हम सबकी आस्था है, राम हम सबका विश्वास है और राम हम सबके हैं। इसलिए ये 500 वर्षों की जो गुलामी हम सब जी रहे थे, आज पूर्ण रूपेण स्वतंत्र हुआ है और भगवा ध्वज और ये जो धर्म ध्वज है आज लहराने का काम कर रहा है। जय श्री राम।
There you have it, Swati. The sentiment is really high, and in fact, these are also, people who have waited for quite long time, and in fact, they had seen generations waiting for Ram Temple, and this is the time that they're going to witness. They believe that they are fortunate enough to be in a time where they could see Ram Temple coming true. In fact, generations have waited, and in fact, there are many saints and seers who actually cried when they went inside, and in fact, when we speaking to Govind Dev Giri Maharaj, who is treasurer of the trust, he also, his eyes welled up thinking about those saints who had laid their lives and sacrificed their lives in wait of the temple. And in fact, it's also a very emotional moment for them, because this is also a matter of faith and also a matter of trust as far as Lord Ram is concerned. And they all miss all those people who were, very integral to the part of Ram movement here.
Absolutely, and perhaps that's the reason why this list of invitees very carefully curated. It's all about the local people. It's about those who have been affiliated, associated with either the movement or the construction of the temple in one way or the other. So as far as the political leaders or dignitaries are concerned, you have, of course, the Prime Minister, who's going to be doing the ceremonial flag hoisting, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, the Governor as well. And apart from them, the entire list has people from all walks of life. Locals have been given priority. There was a little a bit of political uproar as well, but that's for later. Today, let's just talk about the sentiments here on ground. Let me go across to Adib. Adib, the gentleman who was speaking to Pragya, spoke about the Dharma Dhwaj, which is not just any saffron flag. It's the flag that has three very important symbols. The sun, because Lord Ram was a Suryavanshi. It has Om, which of course is the divine eternal spiritual sound. And it also has a symbol of the Kovidar tree. Tell us more about the Dharma Dhwaj, the size, the material that has been used for making this saffron flag that will be mounted or hoisted on top of the shikhar of Ram Temple. Adib.
Well, Swati, before I tell you about the Dhwaj, but let me tell you about the auspicious timing, which is around 11:58 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. This is the time when this Dharma Dhwaj will be hoisted at the top of Ram Mandir. And if we talk about how the measurements of this Dharma Dhwaj, it's around 10 feet long and 12 feet in breadth, and this can be easily visible throughout the Ayodhya. It will be on top of Ram Mandir, and at the auspicious timing that has been given by the temple trust is between 11:58 to 12:30 p.m. This is when all the dignitaries will be attending the main event of flag hoisting. Prime Minister Modi, RSS Chief Bhagwat, CM Yogi Adityanath will all be inside the Ram Temple when this Dharma Dhwaj will be hoisted at the top of Ram Temple. Swati.
Absolutely. Pragya and Adib, stay on with us. Let's also take a were the ground reports that both of you filed earlier?
This is a kitchen, that has been run by all these women. And to speak more on this, what is in the menu, we have Miss Renu Jalan. Renu ji, क्या आप यहाँ पर पैक करा रही हैं ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए और क्या लंच के लिए पैक होगा?
लंच के लिए तो पूरी है, सब्जी है, अचार है, वो बादाम की बर्फी है, मिक्सचर है, इतना चीज सब पूरी इसके लंच के लिए। और ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए है मटर का कचौड़ी, चने की घुगनी और कलाकंद, गोंद का लड्डू और मिक्सचर, इतना चीज ब्रेकफास्ट।
और कितने लोगों के लिए ये पैक हो रहा है सब सामान? कितने डब्बे बनेंगे
ये 10,000 दोनों 20,000 सारा हम लोग ही सब करेंगे यहाँ से।
बहुत सेटिस्फेक्शन तो मिलती होगी,
बहुत ज्यादा।
ये एक काम कंट्रीब्यूशन आप लोगों का
काम मिल रहा है हम लोग को, इसी में बहुत खुशी है।
So, there you have it. There are people who are doing service for those who are also coming, and you don't need to ask people to give food or to arrange for accommodation. There are so many people who are willingly doing it.